Welcome back to the channel guys. Hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'll show you how to freeze multiple rows in Microsoft Excel so they stay visible while scrolling. Let's get started. First you have to open your Microsoft Excel, then click on the document where you want to do that. Simply open it. Once you are in this page, simply maximize it for better view and you can select the part where you want to lock it or freeze it. Once you have selected that much part, simply click on view, and when you are in this page there is an option called freeze panes. Simply click on it. After you have clicked on it, your numbers or rows will be visible even if you scroll down. As you can see, I am scrolling and the numbers are still visible in the top, and that's it. All rows above your selected row are now frozen and will stay visible while you scroll down. To unfreeze it later, you can just go back to the view tab in here and simply click on unfreeze panes. As you can see, now you can simply scroll down and the numbers or the rows will be not visible, and that's how you can freeze multiple rows in Microsoft Excel. Super useful for large data tables. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and drop your questions in the comment section below, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.